Hi, my name is Terry Nganga. I'm a real estate investment coach, advisor and expert. I'm also a realtor and director at Property Hall Investment Limited, where we buy and sell properties, that is land and buildings. Property Hall Investment Limited mission is to inspire and empower people to invest in the real estate sector so that they're able to meet their financial goals and to secure their desired future. So you may ask, how did I get into the real estate sector? As I was growing up, I could take my parents to what I call land tourism in different parts of the county, just to view land, have a glimpse of what it takes to purchase the land. And I can say it has been a very great journey, because from it I've been able to gain great expertise and knowledge about real estate investing. I have been able to see the benefits of real estate investing because in the late 1980s, my mom got rheumatoid arthritis, and it's a lifelong disease. And in the year 2018, she was bedridden. And what I can say is that we never took care of the bills, we never took care of the household expenditure. Actually, we always laugh with my siblings when we remember the way it was. We could go home and come back with shopping, and this made me think and appreciate real estate investing. There's a time I would be on her bedside and she's like, can you pay off some maybe loans that she'd taken just to hasten the process of maybe developing? And I was like, if she could be able to do it from her bed and even construct, can I say that? I was just amazed, and I'm like, if she was able to do it, even you and me can also reap the benefits of real estate investing. When it comes to real estate investing, you have to be careful that you're not cash flow poor, because you've got to take both the buying and the development of the properties so that in future you have ready cash flow, because you know real estate investing is a bit capital intensive, and again when it comes to selling of the property, it may take some time. How do you ensure that you're not cash flow poor? Ensure some of these properties or land that you buy, you develop it at a certain stage so that you're able to have some income at the end of the month that will take care of your expenditure. And another thing is, what kind of legacy do you want to leave for your children? Because for me, this career has grown out of the legacy my mom has left. She passed on, unfortunately, and there is so much I was able to learn from her. So let us build this legacy so that and also the generational wealth, so that your children and your children's children will be able to benefit. I often get people asking, how do they maximally benefit from real estate investing? And one of the ways is to develop the land, either put up commercial or residential units and have rental income at the end of the month. You can hire out grounds, or you can develop it for a commercial setting like hotels, both for accommodation and just a restaurant, and it will become a self-employment to you. And like Andrew Carnegie said, 90% of all millionaires get rich or become so through owning real estate. So I'll take you through this journey so that you're able to gain confidence, you're able to invest in the real estate, and ultimately you're going to secure your desired future. And who said you can retire, you have to retire at the age of 60? You can also retire at the age of even 25. You can retire at the age of 30. But at the end of the day, it is all about start now and invest now.